Rolling toolboxes are essential for anyone who values mobility, organization, and efficiency in their workspace. Whether you're a handyman, teacher, or craft enthusiast, a well-designed rolling toolbox saves time, protects your tools, and simplifies transport. Below are the top 5 best rolling toolboxes available today, each offering unique features to meet various needs. Today I'm counting down the top 5 best rolling toolbox that worth your money. This list was made based on quality research and customer reviews, and I'm going to break down each of them, including their features and benefits, so you can see which of them might be the best choice for you. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss out on great product recommendations. Check the link in the description for current prices, availability, and more details. At number 5, we have the Toolbox heavy-duty rolling cart for stairs. The Toolbox heavy-duty rolling cart excels in versatility and durability, designed to handle up to 150 pounds. It's ideal for teachers, parents, and professionals who need mobile organization across classrooms, homes, or offices. Equipped with smooth rolling wheels and a durable handle, it glides easily across floors and even stairs. The foldable, collapsible design ensures compact storage when not in use, while the secure lid keeps contents protected. Whether used for classroom materials, groceries, or heavy tools, this cart's rust-resistant build and lightweight portability make it a reliable companion for everyday tasks. Coming in at number 4 is Stalwart Portable Toolbox with Drawers. The Stalwart Portable Toolbox is a compact and customizable organizer designed for portability and precision. Built with high-impact polypropylene, it features 4 removable drawers with customizable compartments, ideal for small parts like screws, beads, or fishing tackle. A main storage section on top provides space for larger tools. Its lightweight design, secure latches, and carrying handle make it perfect for on-the-go use, whether for crafting, hardware, or hobby projects. The vibrant pink and black design adds style, while its sturdy construction ensures long-term reliability in both professional and personal settings. Number 3 is King Tool 286 PCS Home Tool Set with Rolling Toolbox. For a comprehensive toolkit, the King Tool Home Tool Set is unmatched. It includes 286 essential tools for home, auto repair, and DIY projects, housed within a 3-layer rolling toolbox. Made from heat-treated chrome steel, the tools are durable and resistant to corrosion. The adjustable telescopic handle and silent wheels ensure effortless mobility, while the 21-volt cordless drill with rechargeable battery adds powerful functionality. This all-in-one set covers everything from screwdrivers and wrenches to sockets and precision tools, making it the ideal choice for homeowners and professionals who want a ready-to-go, complete solution. Number 2 is Keter Stack and Roll Modular Rolling Toolbox. The Keter Stack and Roll offers a modular, interlocking system that transforms into a mobile workshop. This 3-piece resin rolling toolbox set includes a cart, toolbox, and small parts organizer, allowing customizable storage for tools of all sizes. Constructed from lightweight yet durable resin, it's ideal for both home and garage use. The metal telescopic handle and 7-inch sturdy wheels make transportation smooth across job sites, while audible latches ensure secure closure. A transparent polycarbonate lid on the organizer lets you view contents instantly. This system excels in versatility, making it a top choice for DIYers and hobbyists seeking flexibility and strength. And finally, our number 1 pick is Black Plus Decker Rolling Toolbox. The Black Plus Decker BDST 60500 APB stands out as a premium all-in-one stackable storage solution. This 3-piece set includes a small toolbox, a deep toolbox, and a rolling tote, all equipped with durable auto-lock latches for quick and secure stacking. The quick-release locking latch allows easy separation of each module, granting fast access to your tools when needed. With an ergonomic telescoping handle and smooth wheels, it's built for portability and comfort. Each box features toggle latches that securely lock the lids while remaining easy to operate, ensuring your tools stay safe during transport. Perfect for professionals seeking a balance of durability, accessibility, and convenience. Each of these rolling toolboxes offers unique advantages, from the professional-grade mobility of Black plus Decker and modular flexibility of Keter to the comprehensive functionality of King Tool, the customizable design of Stalwart, and the versatile portability of Todaygo. Choosing the best one depends on your specific needs, whether it's heavy-duty storage, organized compartments, or foldable convenience. No matter your trade or hobby, these rolling toolboxes ensure your tools stay organized, accessible, and ready for action.
Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you find this video helpful. Let me know in the comments section which product you love the most, or if you've tried any of these already. All the product links are in the description below, so you can check out an updated price and availability for any brand you are interested in. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video, as I always appreciate that. Have a great day and see you in my next video. Thank you.